What's going on, guys? It's Jamal from Lifeforabusiness.com. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to build business credit, specifically with my latest approval of $15,000 with Floor and Decor. If you like the content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, remember one thing: retirement is a number, not an age. It's just a number, not an age. Most companies can actually get a line of credit with Floor and Decor, but to me, the best companies that would actually utilize all that they offer would be real estate companies or small companies that renovate apartments or houses. They offer many different types of materials for floors, whether it's bamboo, solid wood, cork, water resistant, or even wood countertops. It doesn't matter what you're looking for. They have all of the materials that you'll actually need to make sure that you're running a proper renovating company or real estate company, guys. Now here's the thing, guys. Don't get this account just to say you got it. Like me personally, there's a specific reason why I actually want this account for future endeavors that I actually plan on participating in 2022, which you will see in the YouTube. So make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. All right. Also, they have cleaning products as well as bathroom products that you can get for your business, whether it's for towels in the bathroom, whether it's for the kitchen, whether it's for the outdoor materials that you'll probably need for your business. They have everything: glass, ceramic. Maybe you're looking for a cement look. Maybe you're looking for a marble look. They even have hand sanitizer if you're trying to get that, all right? Now I'm going to take you guys to the application. Remember, this is a revolving account, which means you can carry a balance, but I suggest you pay it off in full to avoid paying interest. We're going to apply for this black Floor Decor Pro Premier card, guys, all right? Now remember, I suggest you pay it in full to avoid paying interest. Also, this card reports to both Experian Business as well as Dun & Bradstreet, guys. All right. Now, we're not going to apply for this white card. You know, this is a Net 30 account. We're actually not going to apply for this one. Remember, we're applying for the black Floor Decor Pro Premier card, guys. All right. Again, it's a revolving account, so you can carry a balance, but I suggest you pay it in full because the APY is kind of high, guys. All right. You don't want to be paying all this interest. You know, just pay it in full. Trust me. Now to the application, guys. It's going to pretty much ask you the standard information for your business that all business applications ask you. It's going to ask you your legal business name. It's going to ask you for your revenue. It's going to ask you for when was your business established, your legal structure. Also, requested credit line. Okay. I requested $15,000. They actually approved me for $15,000. All right. Again, your miles may vary on that. It's going to ask you for your business address as well as your store location. Now, there are no stores in New York, so I had to actually put my store location for New Jersey. All right. Now, on to the next part of the application. This part right here is going to ask you for a controlling person. Okay. This should be you. You know, the main person who's actually handling the business, the main person who's taking the orders. This should be you. So that's kind of common sense. So we're just going to go to the next part of the application. Now, this is about you, the authorized representative. Again, this should be you as well. It's going to ask you for your job title, your name, your primary phone number, your social security number. But you see this part right here? Would you like to apply as a personal guarantor? Hell no. You don't personally guarantee anything in regards to business, guys, all right? So we're going to say no when it asks you, do you want to personally guarantee anything, guys, all right? Now, as far as the next part of the application goes, do you want to add any employee accounts? Okay, so if you want to add an employee account, you can put 2, 3, 4, as many employees as you want. to have access to this account. They can actually purchase items using these cards. I have none, so I put 0 ones. All right, guys. Now, once you get to this page, it's pretty much going to tell you your APR, which is kind of ridiculous, 29%. So I advise you guys to pay this card off in full, even though it's a revolving credit card, guys. All right. After you get your approval, they'll send you some nice fancy email telling you how to set up the account. Once you set up your account, they'll send you the card. Once they send you the card, you'll be able to purchase some items, guys, from Flora Decor. Hey man, thank you guys for watching this video all the way towards the end. You guys are the best, all right? Make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, we have a whole bunch of different sort of playlists. We got playlists on business credit. Business credit is the key feature on this YouTube channel, but also I want you guys to check out the manage and grow your business playlist, guys. All right. Again, guys, you know the saying already, but I have to say it in every single video. Retirement is a number, not an age. I will keep saying that until you guys fully understand what I mean by that. Be in charge of your own destiny. Wake up when you want to wake up. All right? That's my goal. That's my ultimate goal. All right, guys. I'm out.